already. So pretty much I got those from the store, cleaned them up, boiled them, peeled them, and smashed it. So I do have probably 1.2 or like half kilogram of purple yam smashed. Okay, and I do have 1/2 can of condensed milk. And you can go for like a 1 can. I used to do like 1 can condensed and 1 can evap, but I wanted a little bit on the not too sweet side because the purple yam is already sweet for me. But you can go 1 can if you usually that's 1 in 1. And so that's 1 can of evaporated milk. I do have 2 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour here, just to kind of thicken up a little bit, and then a 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter, and I would say a tablespoon of purple yam, the ube extra. All right, here we go. This is ube halaya. The pan is already warm. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my 2 tablespoons of butter. Kind of melt that away. Bit of fats. I've been doing this many times. I think I got the right taste that I wanted, and I can share it to you. That's why I'm doing this video for you all. And so pour this 1 can of the 1/2 can condensed milk until it simmers for about a few minutes. Alright, it is simmering. This is your ube extract. Ube. Alright, and then here we go. The ube halaya. Just be careful. This is one of my favorite dessert growing up. My lolas in Batangas used to make this a lot, and this is what I usually look forward when I come to their houses. I just want to go to the consistency that I want, that is spreadable. Just have to keep on mixing, because if you don't, then the bottom will get burned. You don't like the burnt taste of this, so you just have to be patient. Okay guys, I think I can go ahead and start adding this dissolved glutinous rice flour so that it will get cooked through as well. But for now, I'm just gonna keep on mixing. Alright, it's getting close to the consistency that I like. You could smell the aroma of the purple yam. So good. It smells so good. Alright, so I think this is the ube halaya or purple yam jam.
it's spreadable, and this is a consistency that I really like. Not too sticky though, so it will be easy for me to spread it in the purple yam bread that I'll be making, or even ensaymada or ube rolls. I hope you like it. For sure you like it.